Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing our voice for the first time, you know who we are already. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and we bring you all the necessary updates. We don't hide anything from you. We bring it to you back to back so that you will know the latest that happened around you. So I have a wonderful one that I want each and every one of us to listen to. It is Ebubuagu and Gmen. You got it? There is a lot of revolution to this video you are about to watch. It's a little clip though. There is a lot of revolution about it because there was a lot of people. Many a times we see what the federal government of Nigeria, what they claim to be, and how they claim that IPOB are responsible for going to Fish Prince to go and take some shams, to take some powers. And we have a video that we explain it more better to us so we know who belongs to those class or not.
Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anyị jidere ndị a, ihe ahụ ndị Ebubuagu. Anyị jidere ha on their way going to the native doctor's house. What is the name of that native doctor? Ezenzu. Okay. They are heading to Ezenzu's place, okay, at Oduma. So we caught them. That is where they used to go and fortify themselves. Okay. Against us. They are planning against next year. They say that government gave them money to plan against next year to come and attack us. That they must hunt all the on ESN wherever they are. All the unknown gunmen. Say they are out. They are coming out for the unknown gunmen. Their outfits for us. But now we are ever ready. They don't know say we will go catch them. We caught them around 6 o'clock. We are on patrol and we caught them. Moving. You can see this one on the uniform. You will see, not that we are not intimidating anybody. He is our brother. So, assuming but any fish will come board on a fish. So now they see him. This is Ebubuagu. Yeah? From Isago. Then come. And this one. Why on not bring this one uniform? We're not supposed to wear this one that in uniform. Okay, then came. Forget. You forget after you receive your punishment. So, you can see it. These are the Ebubuagu. We caught them with their bike. Everything about them, we have all their details on their phone. Their message the government sent to them on how to attack us. You can see it. We are doing a nice job. We are not harming innocent people. These are the ones on the government in Asia. Can you maybe they are for spy? They are for special duty. We saw their messages, their write-up, and now we're not supposed to play that message so that they go see them. Make we put them for phone for this thing. So you can see it. Boys are trying, Boys are trying. Calm down. Boys are trying. Well, let me show them the thing so that they will see what they are planning against us. Okay. Please help us and see this. Okay. Okay.
I don't really know or understand where all these things are coming from. Over the years, when Mazina Dikano launched the Eastern Security Network, he made the world to understand, and he did not hide it. He made it clear, he made it openly, and he declared that this Eastern Security Network, they are peaceful people. They are there to protect the land, they are there to protect families, they are there to protect our mothers, our brothers, our sisters that are going for farming, that in one way or the other they've been harassed by the Fulani herdsmen. For peace to reign, for peace to return, for these people to understand that someone cares about them, he decided to launch the Eastern Security Network. And now you see what they have turned them into, like trying to make them to look like they are criminals that are terrorizing the community, of which they are not. See, let me tell you something. It's high time the federal government of Nigeria embrace peace that they have been preaching. People has been preaching about this peace. They've sent a lot of messages to them that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they should embrace peace, and they should treat people fairly. But they refuse. They don't want. I don't really understand. I don't really know why. And again, time without number, Ebubuagu or the uniform men, they have accused IPOB members, Eastern Security Network, of going to a particular chief prince to go and take powers. That those powers enable them to do what they are doing and all that. Many a times we see that they caught a lot of boys and they will just like putting the Biafra flag, putting the cap, and putting some arms, and they will say, oh, these people, they belong to IPOB and all that. This is where they are doing the sham. This is that. In fact, we now understand that it's what you are doing that you can accuse people of. If you are not doing a particular thing, there is no way you will accuse people of doing it unless you are doing it. So at times, people begin to imagine, where is this thing coming from? Where is this chief priest of a thing coming from? Where is this going for Abalis? Where is it coming from? IPOB is not part of this. But today, you see what this Ebubuagu, what the message is sent to them, and this unknown government, they control their phones, control everything, and they see the message and say, oh, go after the Eastern Security Network. They are trying to do this, they are trying to do that. Let us stop them, let's delete them. Come on. This should not be. This Eastern Security Network, they are peaceful people. Okay? You can imagine, or you can agree with me, that for a very long time, even when they said Muhammadu Buhari should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to embrace peace, a lot of voices have been raised. They should embrace peace. They should stop what they are doing. They should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They should welcome peace. Everybody should live together. But these people, I don't really get it. I don't really understand. They don't really want it. They don't want it. The issue irritates them. They don't want to hear about it. They don't want anybody to say anything about it to them. Come on. We can't continue like this. Enough of all this. People are afraid morning, afternoon, and evening. People are afraid to do what they want to do. A lot of people are afraid to come out to do a lot of things. Just imagine this Ebubuagu. Are they still Nigerian security forces? But they gave them all the privilege. They gave them all the authority to do whatever they want to do. And they are not doing it right. We don't rescue against flesh and blood. But these are your brothers that every day you delete them. And you don't see you don't see anything wrong about it. So my wonderful family, I said, let me bring this to you as a witness of what has been going on. So please like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.